If you're starting from $0 in America and you're thinking about buying your first stock, stop. Seriously, pause for a second. Because the biggest mistake beginners make isn't picking the wrong stock. It's buying one before they're actually ready, and that one small move? It can quietly set you back years. Hey, welcome to Wealth Blueprint. I'm really glad you're here. If you're trying to build real wealth from scratch and you don't come from money, hit that subscribe button right now, because on this channel we break down money in a way that actually makes sense. No Wall Street jargon, no fake hype, just real talk about how to win financially in America. Now, let me tell you something most finance influencers won't. When you're starting from $0, the stock market is not your first move. Social media makes it look like you just download an app, throw in $50, buy a trending stock, and boom, you're on your way to financial freedom. That's how people get burned. Imagine saving your first $500, buying a hot stock, and watching it drop 20% in a week. You panic, you sell at $400, and now you're scared of investing forever. That's not because you're dumb. It's because you messed up the order of the game. Before you buy a single share, you need stability. I'm talking about a predictable, steady income, not maybe I'll get shifts money. If your income is unstable, your investments become emotional, and emotional investing is dangerous. Second, you need an emergency fund. No one brags about a savings account on Instagram. But if you don't have 3 to 6 months of basic expenses tucked away, the market will wreck you. Life happens, your car breaks down, your rent goes up, or you lose your job. If you're forced to sell your stocks when the market is down just to pay for a new transmission, you're staying broke on purpose. Third, you must eliminate high-interest debt. If you're carrying a balance on a credit card at 24% APR, investing in an index fund for an 8% return is mathematically losing money. You're trying to fill a bucket with a massive hole in it. Paying off that card is a guaranteed 24% return. No hedge fund manager on Wall Street can beat that. Now here's the mindset shift. In the beginning, your biggest asset isn't your brokerage account. It's your earning power. A person making $35,000 a year, investing 10%, will always be outpaced by someone who builds their skills, gets their income to $80,000, and then invests. Don't just obsess over which stock to buy. Ask yourself how you can make an extra $1,000 a month. In the early stages, your rate of savings matters way more than your rate of return. If you invest $100 and get a 50% return, you only made $50. But if you increase your income and consistently pump $1,000 into a boring index fund, that is how real wealth compounds. Once you've earned the right to invest, do it strategically. In America, we have cheat codes like the Roth IRA and 401k matching. If your employer offers a match and you aren't taking it, you're literally walking away from free money, a 100% return before the market even moves. And instead of gambling on the next Tesla or Apple, look at low-cost S&P 500 index funds. They give you a piece of the 500 biggest companies in the country without the stress of picking winners. Consistency beats intelligence every single time. The market rewards the person who sets up automatic transfers and ignores the daily noise. But beware of the silent wealth killer in America: lifestyle creep. The $700 monthly car payment is the reason many high earners are actually broke. They get a raise and immediately upgrade their life instead of their assets. Remember, assets should pay for your lifestyle, not your paycheck. The stock market won't save you from bad habits. Wealth is boring at first. It's budgeting, saying no to things you can't afford, and staying consistent when no one is clapping for you. But around year 7 or 10, something magical happens. Compounding kicks in and your money starts working harder than you do. Starting from $0 isn't a disadvantage. It's clarity. You have nothing to protect, so you can build your foundation correctly from day one. Don't compare your chapter 1 to someone else's chapter 20. Slow wealth doesn't go viral, but it's the only kind that lasts. The goal isn't just to buy a stock, the goal is to build freedom. So, take your time, get your foundation right, and play the long game. If you're ready to build your wealth blueprint the right way, stay tuned, drop a comment about your biggest money struggle, and let's get to work.